So guys, good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our New Zealand dollar USD. So New Zealand dollar USD, that is what we are going to be expecting. That is what we are going to be looking at for the day. So first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also guys, make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start with our trend on New Zealand dollar in USD. You don't know, the first rule of trading is know your trend. The second rule of trading is trade with the trend. So we would want to know what our trend is on our New Zealand dollar USD. Now, what can you say the trend is on your New Zealand dollar USD? This is very much an uptrend move. Remember, the previous trend was a downtrend move. This was the previous trend. We were in a downtrend move previously, but right now, market has now moved and it has now changed its trend from a downtrend to now an uptrend move. So we are now in an uptrend move, right? So this is the high the market did give us. Here is the higher low. Market was now able to push up to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low right here. So this is an higher low currently playing out. So once this higher low plays out finish, we will be expecting market to push up to form a new high, thereby taking out this previous high and forming a new higher high. So above all, a bullish move is what we will be expecting next on our New Zealand dollar USD. Now, let's take a look at this right here. This has come back to tap as supporting. Now, take a look at this. This is your high and this is your higher low. This is your higher high. Here is your higher low, right? This is also seen as the higher high, which has now pulled back right here. So market has now pulled back right. So now that market has pulled back, market eventually push on to come to retest this level right here. Market pull back to retest it right. Now market has now pulled back to retest it again. This is our support level. So from this support level, we should expect a rejection that will push on to tap our resistance level. So guys, whatever you want to be doing on your New Zealand dollar USD, you would want to be going for the buy. And that buy should come to tap the resistance level and possibly break above it. There's a possibility that it will break above it. But first, let it push on to tap the resistance level. Once it does that, then I'm going to do an update and let you guys know what we'll be expecting next. So make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.